Okay, so we're going to talk about the trades that we're currently in. All right, the first one we are in here is what? CAD Swiss franc. Sorry, I need to pop up this. As you all know, we take it to the fundamental direction, okay, that Jake posts during the most voluminous times of the market hours, okay? Okay, so CAD is currently at a what? Positive 2.8, okay, and Swiss franc is currently at a negative 6.6. Okay, short-term direction to the upside, long-term direction to the upside. We know why, right? CAD's going to follow crude, okay, as demand continues, as the market continues to essentially come back to life, and Swiss franc will be pinned for that the same reason as its safe haven status. Okay, so here are our monthly zones. We're going to identify this as our monthly upper, monthly lower, because price has been trading within that range for quite some time. Okay. Here's our monthly upper, monthly lower. Okay, horizontal sell pressure. So we know monthly sell support. Okay, here we have buy support at our monthly lower zone. What's this? Weekly upper, weekly lower, daily mid-range zone. So we just identified area between of buy pressure and sell pressure, right? This is area of battle. So we know that buy pressure is going to meet area of sell pressure here. Okay, fundamental support's telling us to the upside. There's nice separation. All right, we know that if buy pressure is going to be able to break our weekly lower zone, we're going to have free range where? To our daily, then to where? To our weekly. Okay, and likely as well, assuming fundamentals stay the same, we're going to make our way to our monthly upper zone. Okay, taking it now to the weekly time frame. All right, what you see here is that buy pressure made a strong march to sell pressure at its weekly zone. There wasn't much in terms of an impulse to the downside, okay? However, what we saw was due to fundamental support, price made a push to the upside. When we take it to the daily, okay, we can see this sort of exhaustion coming in now, okay? This is also a bearish engulfing candle close on the daily, something to be aware of. However, with fundamental support, I believe that this is just going to see bullish momentum move right past it, okay? I don't see a reason for the Canadian dollar to sink to the downside, okay? Especially now since we're about to also hear that the $1.9 trillion stim package will come in. I expect that this will send us to the upside. This was a relatively strong exhaustion, okay? We do admit for sure. However, again, fundamentals come in, air support, okay? We're going to wait. We're going to ride this sucker to the upside. I mean, there's a lot of space here, right? Now, we're going to monitor. What we're going to monitor is the strength when price starts to get to its next battleground. So, for example, if there's still good separation as we reach our daily, we're going to keep our trades in and we're going to just trail our SL. Let's say then price makes its way, minor exhaustion, it starts to make its way to its weekly. Now, let's say for some reason, the Canadian dollar, for example, is at a positive one and the Swiss franc is at a negative one, meaning, just as an example, fundamentals have kind of come in, you know what I mean? So at this point, we would probably look to close out our trades and enter at some sort of exhaustion or at a better discounted price, right? Because we know that if fundamentals are closer, buy pressure won't have the strength to break weekly, okay, without coming back for an impulse or exhaustion. So we'll monitor as we continue to move to the upside. But right now, we're going to continue to rise. We're going to continue to let this thing move, okay, and be patient. All right, next is CAD yen.